Alright, so in this video, what I will be doing is testing gold with toothpaste. So just to begin, what we will need is a white towel. We will need some toothpaste, whatever one you choose should be fine. And then you need a gold piece. In this case, I have a ring here. So to begin, what you want to do is simply apply a little bit of toothpaste to the ring. So that should be enough. And what you want to do is then rub it onto the white cloth here for maybe like 30 seconds to a minute. That's what we're going to do here. What you're going to see there, you see that black spot it's created. The gold is still nice yellow and shiny. This is 14 karat, but it leaves that black mark. Now, if you were to use it with something that isn't gold, no mark would be left behind. So yeah, there you have it. Just a quick and dirty test you can do at home. Of course, the best thing you can do is do multiple methods for testing. As the more that come out correct, the higher chance you have of something being actual gold. And then of course, if you really want a concrete answer, you should go find someone that has the equipment to test everything appropriately, and they can tell you exactly what you have. So yeah, thanks for watching, and subscribe if this was helpful.